Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do a review and show you how to install this InSinkErator power cord. So I got a brand new garbage disposal. Sometimes they come with the power cord and sometimes they come without. If it doesn't have a power cord, you're going to have to install one. So here I've got it flipped upside down. We've got to take this screw off right here. So this is going to expose. We've got two wires in here that are already stripped. We got to put a clamp here. Okay, so here's everything that comes in the kit. It's got the clamp already, so we're going to take this little nut off of this clamp and put it in there. It's got two wire nuts. It's got a ring terminal on the ground screw. So that's going to go right there. And then we're going to connect the white. Now, if we look at the instructions, the neutral wire, which is the white wire, is ribbed. So one of these is ribbed and one of them is smooth. So the smooth side of this wire, even though they both look the same, this is going to be the black wire. This ribbed side, and here's kind of a close-up. There's the rib side. That's the white wire. And if we look on this other side, so I flipped it over, and there is the smooth side. That's the black. So the smooth side is going to go to the black wire, and the rib side is going to go to the white wire. These are already tinned. Okay, so here we have our clamp. You're going to leave the nut on. Normally we kind of take that nut off, but we're going to leave the nut threaded on here. There's threads on this side already, you'll see. So we can just set that there and start threading this in, and it'll go in. Get this positioned where we want it, and then we can tighten the nut down so that this will be in the correct position. Now you're also going to notice on this cable there's a piece of heat shrink. That's going to go in the clamp. We've got a metal clamp here, so make sure you position that heat shrink in the clamp area. Okay, so you can see I've got the wire in the clamp, tighten the two screws down, it's coming through here. Okay, so take that screw out, put the ring terminal for the green wire underneath it and make sure it's pointed down. Okay, so now with these wires, get them nice and straight and twist them. Get them nice and tight and twisted. So you're going to line the two wires up so that they're just at the same length, and then you're going to put the wire nut on. Then you're going to tighten that down until it kind of won't tighten anymore by hand. You'll see that the wires are really nice and tight. And then you'll make note, I got the ribbed side going to the white wire, the smooth one going to the black. And then just simply tuck the wires in, and then you're going to get your cover, and you're going to put your cover on with your screw. Now the cord is not super long, it's only 3 feet long, and it is 3-prong. And it does talk about this being SPT-3 insulation thickness and moisture resistance. And again, the model number of this kit is CRD-00, made by InSinkErator. So I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.